How to create GMX email account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in this link, signup.gmx.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the sign up interface of GMX. In order to get started, enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. First of all, enter the first name in the field of first name. Enter the last name. Enter the month. Enter the day. Now enter the year over here. Click on the option Next. Various email addresses will be suggested to you. You can click on the option of your choice, or you can also try your own idea. Now complete your entry by selecting the gender. Also select the country over here. Click on the field of country and select the country of your choice. Also select the state. Click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. Repeat the password. Click on the option Next. Now enter the cell phone number over here. First of all, select the country code. Click on the field of country code and select it over here. Click on the field of cell phone number and enter it over here. Make sure to enter the correct cell phone number. Click on the option Next. Now what you have to do is check on this box I am human. After the verification is completed, click on the option Agree and Continue. Once you do that, if you have provided the valid informations, your account will be created. Follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. Like this, you can create GMX email account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.